Can you guys even take me seriously with these on? Hey guys, it's Cami and welcome to the channel. So I am in a new location. This is basically just in front of my fireplace in the living room. This video is a Target haul. Ta-da! I love Target. It is, it's not 9:21. I thought I was gonna be able to film this around maybe 5 o'clock. I did a whole bunch today. I'm just gonna do a Target haul because that's where I spent that extra 2 hours. I was shopping for a trip that I'm leaving on tomorrow. So when you guys see this video, I will be on the trip. I'm going on a girls trip with a couple of my friends. We're leaving tomorrow morning and we're just like driving a couple hours away, a few hours away. We're going to San Francisco and I checked the weather and it's kind of in the mid 70s, which is still cold to me because I just had a sip of my hot chocolate. Do you guys like my Jack mug? I got this from Disneyland probably a year ago when I went. I love Jack. I'm telling you guys way too much. You guys are like, get to the Target haul, please. But I needed to go to Target because to travel, I needed to buy some things just to make sure that I'm comfortable while I'm away. Okay guys, so let's get to this haul and everything I mentioned is going to be down below in the description bar if I can find it online at Target. If you are interested in entering my international giveaway that I have going on, I'm also going to be linking that link down below for you. And let's get into the video. I wanted a black crossbody bag, which I think everyone knows you can find something like this at Target. Guys, this was only $10 and it's just got a silver zipper here. So I got that. Definitely needed a pack of the Up and Up triple blade razors. These are my favorite razors. I don't use any other if I can help it. I love them. They last for a long time too. I went ahead and I got the Native deodorant. I heard about this one. I don't know how natural it is, but I know it's more natural than what I've been using. The Native deodorant says that it is paraben free and aluminum free. And I got the lilac and white tea one, which smells really, really good. So I'm gonna try this out. Okay, so that's one bag. I have this really cute pink Victoria's Secret like travel, like overnight bag, and it's like cotton and it's really stretchy and I've used it for years. I've had it for such a long time. I really didn't want to take that one because it actually does not zip up on the top and I wanted a bag that did everything. So I needed a carry-on bag and I think that this Joy Lab bag is the perfect size. I just had the girl at the check stand put everything I bought inside of this bag because I knew it would be easier to get inside of my house. It zips on the top here. This bag comes with the long shoulder strap that is adjustable, and then it also has just the handles here. I'll try to find a picture of it on the website for you guys. But I bought this one. It's also a little bit padded. So if you have like your electronics, like your laptop or anything that needs a little bit extra cushioning, like sunglasses that don't have a case, I think that this bag is a good pick. Hangers, because I asked for them. I was like, can you just give me those? And she's like, yes. I was like, thanks. So for this next thing, you guys remember when you were in elementary and you had like your Lisa Frank pencil case and it was all rainbow and filled with like unicorns and teddy bears and it was like the cutest thing and you couldn't wait to break it out? Okay, well that was me. What I don't want to do on this trip is break out my Sanrio or my Lisa Frank pencil case and have it be doubling as like my toiletry case. I decided I needed a toiletry bag. So I ended up getting this one. It's the typical travel case size and it's got 2 compartments. Mostly all black. It's got like the gold zippers, but this is by SONIA KASHUK. My apologies if I'm mispronouncing it. This was, I think it was $14.99. Okay, so the next thing is a black scarf that I got and it's only $12. Completely worth it because it's heavy. If I unfold this, it's just gonna be huge. I'm gonna go ahead, you can't even see me anymore. I wanna say like tweed, but it's not tweed, it's more like I can just read the material on the tag, but it's the weight of like tweed, but it feels like argyle. What does it say? Okay, it's 100% polyester, but please consider everything else I said. So it's basically like a throw blanket. This might be TMI for somebody. I doubt it. If you're watching a Target haul, you're probably interested in this. This is an item by AUDEN, the brand, AUDEN. So it is intimate apparel, and this is just a little black padded bra. But the thing is, I think I'm on my way to just not wearing wire bras anymore. I can't stand the wire around my rib cage. It's just too uncomfortable. So this has it has an elastic band around the rib cage, and then it has the crisscross back. So basically it's sports bra-esque, but in the front it dips extremely low and it really feels seamless, and I like the padding because I don't have to worry about any show through. I just really needed a simple black one. Like, how much was it? This was, and I got a size small. No, I got a size medium and it was $14. You guys are probably like, why is everything black? I mean, not that LA is not a big city, but in the city, like, you definitely want to wear a pair of sunglasses like at least once in your life. Even if you're not a sunglasses person, you try it one time because you got to find out you're not. I am. Anyway, I got a new pair of sunglasses from Target, and they're these white ones by A New Day, and I just love the shape of them. I think they're so cool, and I probably would wear it with my hair like up in a bun, probably not down like this, but definitely with all black, like white sunglasses with an all black outfit. Can you guys even take me seriously with these on? I just like the shape of them because they're big and they don't like make my face look small. Like, I think they fit me, which is kind of cool. They're big and they fit my narrow face, so that's a plus. These are by A New Day and they were $14.99. White glasses, like in the fall, winter, gotta have them. That is my entire Target haul. I really hope you liked it. Let me know if you have seen any of these items in store and you picked them up yourself, or if you think that you know someone that needs any of these items. So here's the bonus question that I have that goes along with the international giveaway that I'm doing. Remember, the bonus question is not a requirement, it's just fun. It's not really a question, just I'm asking you to write about any of your travels that you're doing this year. Go ahead and write that in the comments in the description box down below. If you are not traveling this year for the holidays or anytime soon, then tell me about the last place you went, and it could just be down the street. Tell me about the last place you went. In my last video, I didn't do a shout out, and what is going on? You guys, in my last video, I didn't do a shout out, and I really like doing it, and I wanted to. I think I just forgot. So this time I'm gonna do 2 shout outs just because I love you and I really want to do it. So the first shout out is from Savannah Lopez. She says, hi, please enter me for the giveaway, Angels and Hearts. Savannah, if you are, let's see, I think you mean the international giveaway. All you've got to do is, what do you got to do for this one? Where are we? Which, I'm doing so many giveaways. Let me think. Savannah, I think you are entered in the giveaway. I think for the international giveaway that I have going on right now is the one I think that you're referring to. And all you have to do for that one is be subscribed to the CamisCosmetics channel, which I think you are. So I think that you are entered. So this shout out is from Cave Crystal. So Cave Crystal says, going as a Victorian vampire because I work at a Victorian recreation town. Wow, I think that that's so cool. When I read that comment, I just immediately imagined everyone in like 18th century dresses, walking around saying things like, good day, madame, good day, sir. I could be in the wrong era, wrong town, but anyway, it's fun and it gets my imagination going. So I think that's pretty cool. And you guys, Cave Crystal was answering a bonus giveaway question that I had, and yeah, I think I asked what you guys are going to be for Halloween. That is it for this video, guys. Whoa, okay, it's 10:06 and I need to actually go pack for this trip because I haven't packed anything. I literally have 6 things on the floor over here that have been on the floor over here for 45 days. What am I talking about? That have been on the floor over here for, 48 hours is what I was thinking. So for 2 days, that's all that has been packed. It can be quite a challenge to get everything you need to feel like you're basically taking home away from home. All right guys, I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.